Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Tarot for You 555 and this is Ayushi. आज जो हमारी करंट एनर्जीज जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे वो है आपके पर्सन। ये सोलली लव रिलेटेड रीडिंग है, तो अगर आप किसी के बारे में भी देख रहे हो जो आपसे इट्स कनेक्टेड टू यू विथ लव और रिलेशनशिप और मे बी एक्स और एनीथिंग सेपरेशन, जो भी आपके लाइफ में चल रहा है अभी, उसके बारे में हम थोड़ा स्नीक पीक करेंगे, थोड़ा देखने की कोशिश करेंगे कि व्हाट दैट पर्सन इज़ करेंटली फीलिंग। एंड करेंटली फीलिंग आई वुड टेक इट एज like 1 week or 2 week kind of energy, like just current energy. I will not take it for very long kind of energy. Most probably 2 weeks, 2 weeks to 1 month. Okay, so that will be the energy of your person that we are going to talk about. And I have separated this video into three piles. um you can choose any one pile, whatever suits you, or you can listen to two piles or एट द सेम टाइम मे बी, अगर आपको जो भी अच्छा लगता है आप वो सुन सकते हैं। एंड वी आर गोइंग टू चेक फर्स्ट व्हाट इज़ योर एनर्जी एंड व्हाट इज़ योर पर्सन एनर्जी। ओके, हम उस पर थोड़ा जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। यहाँ पे कोई गाइडेंस नहीं मिलेगा आपको, लाइक आई एम नॉट थिंकिंग टू गिव एनी काइंड ऑफ गाइडेंस राइट नाउ, बट आई विल ट्राई टू कैच द करेंट एनर्जी। बाकी आप खुद से एनालाइज कर सकते हो कि इफ दैट इज़ हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ, you know your answers and your things in a better way. Okay, so we'll start the reading. Piles के जो टाइम स्लॉट्स हैं वो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए हैं, सो यू कैन जस्ट रेफर टू दैट एंड वी विल जस्ट स्टार्ट द रीडिंग. ओके, सो हियर आर द थ्री पाइल्स. आपको जो भी अच्छा लग रहा है आप चुन सकते हो. आप दोनों दो पाइल्स को चुन सकते हो अगर आपको पसंद है तो. There's a green quartz, blue quartz, and yellow sapphire kind of stones. I have kept it as a pile. So yeah, take your time. Hello, pile number one. So this is your reading. If you have choose the green quartz, currently I'm catching that maybe you are seeing a lot of sunflowers, lotus flowers, snakes, और मे बी यहाँ पे किसी किसी का ना जो थर्ड आई चक्र है यहाँ पे, or maybe you're dreaming something in night, you're visualizing something when you're sleeping, you're visualizing something. Okay, maybe you are having some sort of money issue, that can be possible, or if you are a student, there can be an education or career issues related to your studies. You're also seeing snakes, maybe, or you're wearing some kind of ring in your fingers that are for snakes. And your third eye, like your spiritual awakening, is coming. Uh, Maybe you are emerging into spirituality more than religion. It doesn't count like which religion you are from, but I'm very much feeling that your third eye is opening, like you are getting away from the material world, you are getting away from the दिखावा world. आप थोड़ा ना हट रहे हो, like you are thinking, you are questioning yourself. Maybe यहाँ पे कोई लियो हो सकता है, if I'm catching the energies. कैंसर हो सकता है और स्कॉर्पियो. लियो, कैंसर, स्कॉर्पियो. Yes, that's it. And also I'm thinking, like, this is your energy I'm talking about. You're shrinking so much to make people comfortable around you. आप अपने आप को ना बहुत ज़्यादा श्रिंक कर रहे हो लोगों को कंफर्ट करने में, कि लाइक उसे बुरा ना लगे, मैं ऐसा कर लेता हूँ, मैं ऐसा कर लेती हूँ. आप बहुत ज़्यादा गिविंग एनर्जीज में हो, बहुत ज़्यादा. and you need to stop that. You need to stop that. That is the energy I'm feeling currently. And you need to disappear maybe from social media, I guess. Like if you are on social media, or in you are active on social media for long amount of time, you need to disappear. You need to take rest, okay? I'm getting a message that we lit that lamp through you. Like somebody is getting motivated through you. Somebody like you have responsibility of somebody, maybe your younger siblings, I'm getting. अगर आपके ऊपर आपके सिबलिंग्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, देन डोंट श्रिंक, ओके? भाग के इधर जाना, भाग के उधर जाना, उसके लिए वो करना, उसके लिए वो करना, सब लोगों को ना खुश रखने की कोशिश. यू नीड टू स्टॉप दैट. यू नीड टू बैलेंस योर एनर्जी आउट. And for your love, I think you're not with somebody in a very deep feeling. I'm currently hanging out, or maybe you are moving away from somebody, okay? Or somebody is moving away from you. The person whom you are asking, I think that person is very confused right now, or maybe confused with career, or the choices are making him or her confused. Yeah, that person has having Jupiter issues. Like the person is having low wisdom, low ethical powers, like low values in terms of, in terms of being a person, how they should talk, how they should behave. Or maybe they are having some career issues. That's why I'm getting Jupiter issues, okay? They're having in problem in career. That's why they are burning out, and they are taking that frustration out on you. They also want you to do something which you don't want to, in a sexual way maybe. And there's, I'm also feeling that you're trying to move on from this person. Like you are thinking, I should move on from this person. This person is not made for me. Or maybe this person is, let me check once again. You can get something, some message or something from that person if you are not in currently hanging out with this person, or not in the state of contact with this person. Whenever you see this video, I think you are going to have a good contact with him. But this person is having some kind of, like, this person is not good with manners, no wisdom, or low wisdom, character issues. You are questioning their characters. But this person is having, like, yeah, you will get to know the truth. Like, I don't think this person is 100% right for you. Because the one who cannot manage their, you know, personal life and professional life, I don't think that the person is so much mature to handle. But that's why that person is maintaining some kind of distance from you. Yeah, that person is going in isolation. That person is withdrawing from you. I wouldn't say that they don't love you, but the thing is here, they are having confusion, burnout, or they are busy with their work, career, or something. And you don't need to go and talk about it. आपको जाके पूछना नहीं है, आपको जाके समझाना नहीं है किसी को. You need to carry your own self. This person is not ethical. I don't know, but I am getting that this person is not ethical. And if you are having any kind of salary issues, or maybe you're getting less salary, then that is going to increase. But this person is burning out. Hmm. Yes, that's a confirmation. This person is burning out. This person is confused between two things, two, three things. ये बंदा दो तीन चीज़ों में परेशान है एंड इनका जो थोड़ा सेल्फ अवेयरनेस में कहूँ या एथिकल रिलेशनशिप जो मेंटेन करने की ऑनेस्टी होती है, लॉयल्टी होती है, इसमें थोड़ी कमी है. एंड दिस पर्सन इज विदड्रॉइंग हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ फ्रॉम यू. दैट इज द रीजन. Or this person is asking you to do something which I also mentioned, sexual way, which you don't have to if you're not, ready for that. Any other message if I can find it out? What is the energy of the person for the first five? Yeah, everything is black. Like there is no gray area. If you are thinking that no, there is a gray area, that person loves me, or something like that, I don't think so. Because the person who is in low with ethicality, you need to indulge in a spirituality mode, I think. If your third eye is opening, as I said, that you are seeing some snakes or flowers or something like those things which I mentioned, you need to focus on that. And you don't need to fear the changes which are coming towards you. Maybe if something is not meant for you, will go away. Maybe in 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. You're having sleepless nights. But in this reading for the pile one, I'm catching more energy for you rather than this person. But I can say one thing, that this person is withdrawing himself or herself from you because they are having issues by their own self. And you need to move on from this person. Yeah, this person is confused between two people. This person is burning out. And that is the reason they are getting away from you, if you're asking why. And you don't need to like shrink. जब वो बंदा कहे कि अभी बात कर लो, अभी ये करो, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ तो ये करो, you don't need to do everything according to them. You can have your own choices, yes, and then you can think about anything else. Okay, so that is the thing I am catching for you. Pile number one, I don't have anything else. You need to focus on yourself. If your chakras are opening, if you are a spiritual person or you are indulging in spirituality, you need to focus more on that and think about that more. Let's move on to the next pile. Thank you so much. Hello, pile number two. If you have chosen the blue squares, that is this beautiful stone, that this reading is for you. Welcome to your reading. I'm thinking that you're getting justice. I don't know. You're getting justice. लेट मी जस्ट कैच योर एनर्जी. अगर आपको मर्करी इश्यूज है, अगर आपका प्लेसमेंट अच्छा नहीं है मर्करी का, या आपका मर्करी कंबस्ट है, रेट्रोग्रेड है और debilitated है, then this reading is for you. और even in अभी ट्रांजिट जो हो रहे हैं उसमें भी अगर मर्करी is not supporting you, then this reading is for you people. You are having mercury issues, you are having communication issues right now. You're not able to communicate with the person you're thinking about, or that person is not able to communicate with you fully, but that person loves you. Let me tell you, there is a mutual kind of a feeling between you two. That is not like that they don't love you or they don't have any kind of regards or emotional bondage with you. I see that is being there, that is you are having, but you're having communication issue. You're not able to express much to that person. That is the thing I'm catching. And that person is very much attracted towards you, like physically. Yeah, and you are having mercury issues. You're also feeling that people are jealous of you. If you are having some kind of nazar or you are going through some kind of health issues, or you're not feeling okay, or you suffer from BP, blood pressure, or digestion issues, then that is happening due to the jealousy. You need to टेक केयर ऑफ द नज़र अराउंड्स यू. मुझे लगता है कि आपको थोड़ा अपना नज़र उतारने की ज़रूरत है. यू नीड टू क्लेंज योर सेल्फ, एंड देर आर मेनी वेज टू क्लेंज योर सेल्फ, यू नो दैट. एंड आई थिंक some justice is coming, like Saturn energy is very much there in your relationship. But I'm also seeing that if you are struggling with a career, or if you are in the career side, then timing is off for you right now. You need to wait some more time. Okay, आपको थोड़ी देर और रुकना पड़ेगा अपने करियर को लेकर के. If you are thinking that timing is off for you, yes, and the person is really interested in your body. I must say that. I'm getting that. And people are jealous around you, or maybe going to jealous. Because I see, if you are single, then a new relation is coming towards you. And if you are talking to somebody who is very new in your life, जो आपके साथ मतलब 2-4 महीने से जुड़ा है, then this relationship is going to maybe prosper, or maybe this person is having difference of place from you. This person is in foreign country, this person is away from your city, or that this is long distance kind of a relationship. And but I see that in this relationship there is a lot of online fakeness. Like, you are trying to do something, say something else to the other person, and other person is also hiding something. But the relationship is coming towards you if you're single. And if you're mingle, maybe you are having two people at the same time, I don't know. But people are jealous of you, and you need to stop the online fakeness. I think you need to open up with this person, or you need to put your honesty with this person. Don't think about, or maybe take time. You should take time. You don't need to open up fully, but have trust that this person loves you, this person have emotional bonding with you, and this person is having a distance of physical distance with you. But if you're asking, the Empress card, I got the Empress card, which is, if you're a lady, beauty is coming towards you, fertility is coming towards you. Okay, and if you're a man, then abundance is coming towards you. Yeah, maybe your person name starts with H P or H. I'm getting. Let me take some more cards for this pile. What is the person's current energy? But one thing is very sure, that this person is having feelings for you. This person likes you, or are very attracted to you. इस person का sun थोड़ा down हो सकता है, maybe. Oh. इस person का sun थोड़ा down है. Maybe confidence issue, maybe. और मे बी अथॉरिटेटिव इश्यूज थोड़ा है कम इनके पास, कॉन्फिडेंस कम है, करेज कम है, इसलिए दिस पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू कम टूवर्ड्स यू और से टूवर्ड्स यू मच. दैट्स व्हाई मे बी यू आर कंफ्यूज एंड यू आर सीइंग दिस वीडियो दैट व्हाट दिस पर्सन इज थिंकिंग अबाउट यू. बट या, दिस पर्सन लव्स यू, दिस पर्सन हैज फीलिंग्स फॉर यू. This person is in this pile. Two cards I have got which talks about sexuality. This person is really attracted to your body. Let me say it very clearly. If you're a girl, then yes. If you're a boy, then double yes. That is a confirmation again. This person is really attracted to you. This person is having good feelings for you, but more attracted towards your body. If you're thinking that he's only or she's only attracted towards my body and he doesn't have anything inside them, like feeling wise, then I don't think so. And something good is coming towards you. Some good news is coming towards you from this person. But you need to this person is having some online fakeness, or maybe this person is very much active online. He shows something else or she shows something else, but he is or he she is something else. Deceptive kind of energy online, which lot of people do these days. And this person is quite very beautiful, quite very mesmerizing. This person have some type of past issues, but I think that person is coming up from that. He or she has improved a lot, but this person is very good looking, like literally very good looking. What is their current energy of 2 weeks? Mhm. The person is sleeping, not sleeping. Oh my god. I don't need to stretch this out much because I got three cards in this pile which talks all about sex. I don't know whether I should say this or not online, but like this person is very much interested in you. So I don't need to say much. If the person is attracted to you this much in that way, I don't think that person is off. But your career is off, and if you are waiting for some kind of guidance in your career, or your career is on hold, I'm getting, yeah, something refreshment is coming. And if you are waiting and you are thinking that nothing is happening, then it's not like that. Work on your mercury issues, work on your communication skills. You're going to really have a very good abundance coming towards you. Whether you are a boy, whether you are a girl, it doesn't matter. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Pile number two, very sexual energies were there. Very, very, very sexually, this person is energized towards you. So take care. Yeah. Okay, we'll see later. And I am thinking to continue this series, like for every second day. Like the person energy, I want to do this, and I will continue to doing this. Like, क्योंकि हमेशा हमें पता चले कि what that person is having issues or current feelings towards your person, right? Thank you. Hello, pile number three. So this is your reading. If you have chosen the yellow squads, this is your reading. Um, you are in lovey-dovey mode. Yes, you are healing. Pile number three. You are coming. You are coming out of something. You're relaxed. Pisces हो आप, या आप लिब्रा हो सकते हो, स्कॉर्पियो हो सकते हो. um if you really like greenish shades, then this reading is for you. But I am thinking that in your reading I am catching a lot of energy of God, like God's will. You're very much khali, empty right now. You are not thinking so much, but you're just watching this video just to know, okay, dekhte hain, let's see what happens, what is coming. But you're very relaxed, and you're not trying to fix anything currently. You're just feeling it, and you're resting. Your energies are like shant, serene, silent. It's not like your heartbeat is high, but your heart chakra is closed. That's why maybe you are not feeling anything and you are thinking to take rest from relationship or love or something like that. But you are getting some kind of hidden talent from the universe, untapped gift. Maybe your intuition is very high currently. That's why you're feeling like that. So let's talk what is going on in your relationship. I don't think so much. Like, I think uh, the people who are watching this pile, you are not currently with anybody. You don't have anybody, but you're distant with somebody currently. Maybe some kind of a breakup situation, or maybe someone has rejected somebody. or maybe you have rejected somebody's proposal because you didn't wanted to give some kind of false happiness to other person, or that person didn't wanted to give you some kind of false happiness, but you're distanced from your own feelings. You are not so much into love kind of thing right now. Yes, you're not thinking about so much about love right now. Then why, where are you busy? What are you thinking? You're resting on pillow? What are you doing? Let's check. 25 can be your birth date. I don't know why I'm getting this. 25, 3, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20. You're seeking purity. You're finding something very pure. What if you have anyone in mind? That is for single people. Like you are searching for something pure energy, but you're still single and you're not rushing towards it. Yeah, peace of mind, nothing in mind. All about purity, all about shanti, all about rest. Lot of singles are here. Maybe you're enjoying your single life. But let's see what is coming towards you. Or maybe next 45 days or next, like, you're distanced from somebody. You have maintained the distance from somebody who was in your life. But that is a long thing ago. I think you are like moving on वाला जो पेस था ना आपका, शायद वो जा चुका है. आप ना बहुत शांत हो, क्लियर आउट हो. मे बी आपका सन बहुत अच्छा हो, मे बी आप लियो हो सकते हो. दैट कैन बी पॉसिबल. मे बी यू आर वेयरिंग येलो करेंटली, और यू हैव, आपने कुछ येलो मैंगो वगैरह कुछ खाया होगा, अभी पिया होगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट. और अगर आप इसे दोपहर को देख रहे हो कभी भी, इन द द मिड टाइम, लाइक फ्रॉम 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. in between, then yeah, this is going to resonate with you. Let's see what is coming towards you in love. I'm feeling to sleep. I don't know why. I was energized. I came energized. But you are enjoying a lot in single life. Like, if सम यहाँ पे बहुत सारी एनर्जीज होती हैं, बट अगर कोई भी यहाँ पे सिंगल नहीं है and they want to know about the person they are thinking about, then what, whomever person you are thinking about, that person loves you, admire you, they like you a lot, but they won't admit. They are self procrastination, or they have a self procrastination issue, they have overthinking issue. बहुत सोच रहा है ये person, जाऊँ नहीं जाऊँ, बोलूँ नहीं बोलूँ. This person is covered maybe due to third party, and third party can be a mother, can be a sister. I'm not getting the vibe of third party, like he or she loves somebody and that's why he or she is not coming towards you. बट मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ फील ही नहीं हो रहा है इस पाइल के लिए. मुझे लग रहा है कि बस सिंगल्स बैठे हुए हैं और ऐसे ही, मतलब चलो देख लेते हैं क्या है. बट इवन इफ यू हैव समबडी इन माइंड, दैट पर्सन इज coward, but they love you. Yes, they love you, and they are very much in fear of rejection maybe. बहुत सोच रहा है ये पर्सन, जाऊँ नहीं जाऊँ, क्या करूँ, कैसे बोलूँ, मैसेज करूँ नहीं करूँ. अगर आपको कुछ सिम्बोलिज्म दिख रहा है ना, लाइक अगर आप बुद्धा टेम्पल गए हो या बुद्ध भगवान के कुछ अगर आप जुड़े हुए हो, या बुद्धिज़्म से जुड़े हुए हो, या आप श्राइन्स पे गए हो कहीं पे भी, जो देहरादून वगैरह में है, अदर प्लेसेस पे भी है. अगर आपको कुछ सैक्रेड ज्योमेट्रीज दिख रही हैं, या आप कुछ मैथमेटिक्स का कुछ पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, या आप मेजरमेंट्स की पढ़ाई कर रहे थे अभी, शायद कुछ ऐसी एनर्जीज मुझे टैप इन हो रही है. बट यू आर बीइंग लेजी. पाइल नंबर 3, you can have problem in your back, as I think. Yeah, पता है मुझे लिटरली ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे कुछ भी नहीं निकालना चाहिए. I don't know. Your self procrastination इज़ हाई। या तो आपके पर्सन की सेल्फ प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, या तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो किसी चीज़ को लेकर के, बट यू आर वेरी मच इन, ठीक है हो जाएगा। या दैट पर्सन इज़ फियरिंग। Transformation is coming towards you, pile number 3. Yes, transformation is coming towards you. Ooh. फिर से avoidance of change. You need to stop fearing what is coming towards you. You need to like believe on God more. I'll take some, like what is coming towards them in love. What is coming towards them in love. Somebody, some hope is coming towards you. But I don't think so that is coming towards you very अभी, like 3-4 हफ्ते में शायद आए. Yeah, I got 3-4 हफ्ते का card and I got the sun card. Like, yeah, some person is coming, some hope is coming. If you are waiting for somebody, new person, not the purana person, not the old person. If you're thinking to talk to somebody, maybe you can talk to somebody, maybe some chit chat in a very small amount, like a bit. थोड़ा सा flirting can be started in 3-4 weeks with somebody. Yeah. And यहाँ पे I get sun energy. So sun is for new beginning, right? Let's see other cards. Yeah, you're depending a lot. You're not in a mood of relationship right now. Maybe अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा hurt हुआ है, या बहुत ज़्यादा आपको दिक्कत हो गई, या बहुत ज़्यादा self independent level पे आ चुके हो, then this reading is for you. I don't think something major is coming, but something can come in your life, maybe 3-4 weeks. Maybe not. I'm very sure 3-4 weeks. Something is coming. I will not talk more about relationship because, as I said, I don't think anything for this person. Many people are having moon issues here. Like बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो आप, आपको ना अपने सोच को थोड़ा कम करना पड़ेगा. Then you can expect somebody to come. Yeah, you need to trust the process. There is divine timing. But I am seeing 3-4 weeks for some people who are like really single, who are free from everything, who are not procrastination, is not going on much on a high level, then something can come towards you in 3 or 4 weeks. Yeah, and if you're not single, or if you have left out somebody and if you're thinking for that person cannot take decision. That person is not in a mood of taking any kind of decision. That person intuition and decision making is blocked. Maybe that person is Libra or air sign, and you don't need to fix that person. You need to just, you don't need to have a mood swing. That person have a lot of mood swings. You need to focus on your career more right now. I don't think very much coming in your love life or in your person's current energy, but I'm going to post the next video soon. If you are interested, you can watch that video as well. Maybe we can catch some energies towards you, and that will come every second day, like every alternate days, like what your person is thinking. आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हो एंड यू कैन वॉच माई वीडियोज़. एनी थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बी विथ मी. मेरा अगर आपको कंसल्ट करना है तो वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखा हुआ है, मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर और मेरा ईमेल आईडी, एंड यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग विथ मी, एंड या, टेक केयर.